Put some respect on my chart. Get me in my Mr. Rogers mode.
The world's most comfortable.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
What's up, guys? I'm DKG72, and I get asked, what kind of paper are you using when you draw your comics all the time? Well, guys, today I'm going to go over my favorite paper to use ever. Big day ahead of me today.
We have David Gordon here, cartoonist and graphic novelist. He is the author and illustrator for KWAME HIGHTOWER, also the man with no name. We have this community event going on.
Yes, we do.
We're going to have obviously some live art and stuff like that going on. Can you tell me a little?
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy DKG72, and I've kind of totally switched up the plans for today because today I was supposed to do a different video in a different series, but we're not going to do that video now because I just realized that it's my 3-year anniversary being a YouTuber, and it's kind of a weird feeling. It's the best way to put it. The reason why it's kind of a weird feeling is because it was 2016 when I first started producing videos on YouTube. I was really scuffling. I was in the situation, job had just got downgraded to part-time, a lot of upheaval going on. I didn't really know what to do, and I had been thinking for a few months anyway about doing YouTube, but I wasn't sure. I didn't think I was young enough. A lot of different things was going through my mind. Like I said, job got downgraded, was just part-timer. I didn't really know what my options were, and I was like, well, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it now. So I decided to go ahead and set up the channel and start creating content. And the funny part about it, the original content I started creating was just these little tutorial videos that I would screen capture on in Photoshop using a screen capture program. You wouldn't even see my face. And then of course it's 2016, so got bit by the vlogging bug and tried to be a vlogger because I thought that's what we were supposed to do. Needless to say, it didn't quite work the way I wanted it to. I look back at some of those old videos and I'm cringe, you know, you just but what I've noticed is I guess that's kind of the progression that you make. You stumble, you fall, you kind of figure it out. Things started changing when I really around about November of 2016 when I locked in and I started working on KWAME HIGHTOWER, and I just started recording the videos of me creating my book. Now mind you, those videos to this day, they don't have a lot of views, but I think they really helped me build who I am now on YouTube. Crazy fat black guy that draws and talks smack sometimes, and occasionally comes up with a nugget of knowledge. Occasionally, not all the time, just occasionally. So those videos, and I was producing them at almost a daily clip. Those videos really helped me cut my teeth on YouTube, and it was really fun. It held me accountable. It helped me build a little bit of excitement for the book that was coming. It was really, I was just really in it, especially 2017. 2016, 2017, I was beast moding it. By 2017 going into 2018, I think I had kind of burned myself out, and then on top of that I was nearing the end of completing KWAME HIGHTOWER, so it was just, you know, just a lot of different things going on. Superheroes of Blackness was near the end of that, so that led to me not really producing any videos in 2018. Basically I just took a break, and that was because, one, I was promoting the book heavy, I was going to all these shows. This new wrinkle made it harder for me to find time to film stuff or to record stuff, because I just wasn't really handling my scheduling the best way that I could. Yeah, so I came back in 2019. I started back recording and creating videos. I got the bug back. I started falling in love with it again. But this time what I did was I started managing my time a lot better. We went to 1 video a week, then popped it up to 2 as I've got more comfortable with managing my schedule and everything like that. And then I also went to being more flexible. I think when I first started, I was just convinced that if I missed a day, the channel was over, and that didn't turn out to be the case. You miss a day, you miss a day. But what you want to do, of course, is you just want to keep putting out content. So I was a little bit more flexible with myself. I allowed myself to miss time if I needed to recharge, and that helped a lot. And now we're here where we're at, the situation that we are now, where I'm producing pretty much daily content because, well, what else we got to do? Out of work right now. My day job got eliminated, but I have a lot of different things going on that'll take care of your boy. Not too much worry, because I do have that time. I'm been focusing on really building and securing what I want to do moving forward. This video right here is just me saying thanks to all the people that have become subscribers and have complimented and commented on what I'm doing and are following and really liking what I'm doing. I just wanted to say thank you to you guys. I definitely wanted to just show my appreciation for everybody that's been riding with me on this journey, no matter what stage of where you got on it. We all get on a different port, but if you're riding with me and you're loving what I'm doing, I gotta just say thank you guys. Here's to 3 years. Big 3. Here's 2 more years of creating YouTube content, creating great comics, creating cartoons, animations, a whole lot of different things. What does that mean now? Basically what that means is there's a lot of different things going on in the work that I can't talk about just yet, but once I can, you guys will be the first to know. There are things that I can't talk about that I'll bring up when the time is right. And of course, we're just going to continue with the tutorials, some vlogs, art, just creating art in general, and talking about comics and pop culture and all that good stuff. So once again, guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you. See you guys in the next video. If you like this video, you already know what I'm about to do, y'all. Y'all know what I'm about to do. If you guys like this video, give it the thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you guys here. Everybody hit the bell icon. That'll let you know when I post up a new video. Also, share the videos all over the internet. You guys are free to share them everywhere. If you want to get a hold of me, it's Twitter and Instagram at DKG72. I got a Facebook fan page and a TikTok. That's David Gordon 72. The TikTok, I don't dance. I can promise you that I don't dance, guys. TikTok is fun. It has some nice little slideshows on there. And then, of course, if you really like this channel, I have a link to my Patreon in the description below. Hit that. Go over there. Please support me on Patreon. Well, guys, again, it's been a fun 3-year ride. Had to take that break in 2018. Really 4 years, but 3 years because it took that break. I'm looking forward to more years being on YouTube, being on this platform, and creating and hopefully building to something great. All right, guys, it's your boy DKG72. I'm out. Peace. So what's up, Facebook fans? Wow, that's how we're gonna start. That's what we're gonna do today, Dave.